Hello everyone, this is Sheikh Azhar. In this video today I am going to show you how to take online attendance in Google Meet. First you have to open Google Chrome. In the address bar or in search bar you have to type Google Meet attendance extension. You have to install the extension first. Once you type the Google Meet's attendance extension, so you can see in the first number Google Meet attendance Google Chrome. So click on Google Meet attendance link. Once you open, you can see the logo here, the right tick mark. I have already downloaded or installed. That's why it's showing remove from Chrome. So if you have not installed, so you can click on install button. Once it's installed, it will be showing in the extension bar. You can see here, this is the extension. You can see the Google Meet attendance here. Once it's installed, close this tab. If you want to take attendance, so for example, I will go on Meet. I will join any class for showing you. For example, grade 3 maths. Once you click or once you join the class, you can see here one tab will be open in the left corner. So your class list goes here. So you can see here grade 6 SST it is showing because I have already added a class. So you can add a class or you can delete the class also. So for example, I am going in grade 3 math. So in the list I don't have a grade 3 math. So in the downside you can see add option. So I will click add and I will write grade 3 math Eklavya. Once you have written the name of the class, so you can click on the add this class button. The class was added. So now you can see in the arrow grade 3 maths Eklavya's class, right? So I will click on first grade 3 Eklavya class. Please ensure that before clicking the join now button, you have to select the class first. Okay. If you not choose the class, so the attendance will be gone on the other class. So please remember, first you have to select the class. So I'm going in grade 3 maths Eklavya, so I'll click on the grade 3 maths Eklavya's class. I will click on the join now because the class is going on, so 13 more students are there. So I will show the practical how to take the attendance. So join, click on the join now. Now you can see here 18 students are there in this class, including the teachers and me. When you go on this again the same tab, so you can see the student list. They have already added automatically the attendance. So you don't want to add anything or click on any button. So once the attendance has been done, you can see the one logo is added here. So the once your attendance has been done, so you can click on the right tick mark. So it is showing the 15 out of 15 because I have not updated, because right now 18 students are there. When I click on the right tick mark, so again they will add the students here. So when the attendance has been done, so you have to click on the save button. You can see the save option here, save attendance and CSV file. Please remember, you have to click CSV file once your attendance has been done. So I'll click on save button. So once you click on save, yeah, the Excel file automatically exported. So you can see on the downloads toolbar, the attendance has been added. So I will open the Excel file. Now you can see the attendance here. Attendance for grade 3 maths Eklavya's on 30th July 2020. So you can see the student's name here. Okay. So as per the same, you can generate daily attendance in this option. Now, once your attendance has been done, once you have exported the list, you can clear the field from this toolbar or this button. So clear attendance checks. So click on this option. Okay. So it is now clear. So it is showing right tick mark once the attendance has been generated and added. If you want to delete the class, so you can click on this delete button. So you can delete the class also. For example, I want to delete this class, so I'll click on the delete class. Are you sure you want to delete this class grade 3 maths Eclavius? There is no undo option. Okay, once you have deleted, it will be no undo options there. Click OK. So you can see on the Pika class, grade 3 Eclavius maths class has been removed. So according these steps, you can take attendance online. So hope you understand. Thank you.